Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another Trace Jolie design team layout. This will be my last layout with the company. Please still check out the Kit Club. It is phenomenal and great and all the good things. And they are just beautiful and perfectly curated. So I'm going to be using the remnants of our July kit here. I'm going to use this because I want to do, so this I'm going to save. I don't know when I'll use it again. I'll stick it with the kit, and when I come back and do some kind of kit series, we'll use this stuff up. This is something that is also made by the Trace Jolie, so these things are going to just go in my stash to be used for another day. I've got this stuff for ephemera, fussy cut, I guess. I'm going to use this and that is pretty much going to be it, because I'm going to use this gorgeous piece of paper here, and which pretty much says, hey, your layout's done for you. I think we're going to go this way. No. Let's go like that. That's like heavily weighted at the top. So, that was a lot. So we're going to trim this one down just a smidge. So we're going to have one small picture, one big picture. And I just need to come in 1/4 of an inch, but I need a bigger photo trimmer. Do you guys have a bigger photo trimmer? Is there a bigger one? Because that one only goes to like 4 something. Alright, I just need to come in like that. So we're going to have the big guy sitting here. And then we're going to have a smaller one of her. She's hanging out on her couch in her dad's hat, because that's what my husband loves to do, is dress the dogs up. Is it weird? Yes. But are we a weird family? A double yes. Alright. Then we're going to have this one kind of sitting right like that. We're not going to have them. We're going to have them overlapping just a bit. Trying to keep that. Actually, I don't know. I like them kind of like that. We'll see once we get it matted. And then, I don't know. Maybe I'm not going to be able to use the bee. Or that. Or have any embellishments. Oh, Lord. Alright, let me mat this. Let me fussy cut out some of these things on all these sheets. And, I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this glued down. This little butterfly's popped up. That's popped up. My title is Love Simply Bloom Wildly. I've fussy cut this out of another piece of paper, and all the rest of the stuff was fussy cut out of those cards. I did actually fussy cut this out, but I'm not going to be able to make it work. So I just really like the layout the way it is. We're going to add some sparkle and shine with these art pebbles that came in the mixed media kit for the month of July. Okay, and I'm going to keep them in that type of container. But let's see if we can pull out, there's really large ones. And then smaller ones. I feel like that's too much of a drop, but I think that's what we got. I know I saw one. I think there's a... I actually want that size more. See how that works out for me sometimes. Alright, that, and then... Okay. And then this is just a magnetic container. And it seals very nicely. So we're going to put one up here, one over here, and then one down here in this area. So this is a very good example of using the paper to design for you. Even though it's a beautiful layout and it's pictures of my dog in a hat, it's okay. One of my friends always says, that's just so weird that you do that. I'm like, I don't know, I just scrap everyday life. And my everyday life consists of a dog. We're just going to get 3 on, so because they're clear, I mean they kind of have a yellow hue to them, but for the most part they're just going to look very clear and sparkly on the page. And then the only other thing that I really want to do, and this is just a gem picker from the Amazon, so it's comparable to the Katana. Mary Polanco did a review. We're going to go with some Heidi Swap Color Shine. So you should never shake like this. I do because these are so old, obviously. That guy right there is clogged regardless, and it is never going to squirt again. And then I have a very old stainless steel letter opener because it doesn't rust, and I just get in there and give her a mix. The only thing about this is this stuff doesn't actually dry very quickly like the other stuff that I use, all the other, maybe that's why Heidi stopped making it. I don't really know. Then I just wipe that off. And I do have to. And I'm going to get a little on the photos, but it's going to be okay. Because it's just being a hat, right? But this does take a while to dry, so I usually just leave it sitting out. And this is just from my stash. This didn't come in a kit or anything. But I am trying to use it up because there's like literally a little on there. But that's going to do it, you guys. So let's give you a little bit of a close-up. Head to the Trace Jolie page. Pick yourself up some of these fun things. And I want to thank Kim for having me on the design team. It was a wonderful experience. And hopefully, if I apply again in the future, we will be able to collaborate once again. But you guys still have to become members of this kit club. So if you like the elegance and the heritage and the old schooly, she is a fabulous curator of these types of kits. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.